are working MotoGP. Yay, thank you. So I'm working the event right now, and this guy walks by really fast, so I couldn't check his pass, and I went over to ask my manager if he's supposed to be here. She goes, "It's Channing Tatum's brother." I'm in the VIP lounge working for Red Bull today, and yesterday Channing Tatum was here, and as you saw earlier, I told you about Channing Tatum's brother. However, Channing Tatum has not come here yet. One second. The real race is at 2 p.m., which is in 30 minutes, and Channing Tatum is still not here, and we were talking to this actor named Arturo, and he's been in The Walking Dead and a couple of HBO shows. I don't watch TV because I only watch YouTube, but also one second. Juan. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome, doll. Sorry, just had to get some free popcorn. So basically, oh, okay. I just need to see your pass, but you're good. What just happened? I think I just got finessed on camera. Okay, anyway, Arturo was like talking to us, and then his security came, and we're like, come on. And he's like, oh, I'm going to watch the rest of the race from the wall. So I'm like, is Channing Tatum at the wall? Because I need to know. Okay, I'll keep you posted. That's no good. That's why. Content. So I just got off, and I'm just now getting home after MotoGP, and it was really cool. So basically I'm going to go get ready, and then Madison and I are going to the after party. So basically I'm getting ready for tonight, and I don't know if I should do no pony, hair down, or pony. Also, this is from Boohoo. Also, you guys, I didn't get to tell you, but earlier today when Adam and I were walking to work, like at MotoGP, this lady came up to me and was like, she was like, oh my god, do you want to work in the VIP lounge? And I was like, thanks.
But I'm already in the VIP lounge.
She basically complimented me and boosted me, and then we went our separate ways. And after that, I was feeling myself, regardless of my really chapped lips. So see what I'm saying? Like the pony or no pony moment, like, and then with the pony moment, you're like, yes girl. Ugh, I feel like this pony doesn't look as good as the first pony. It's a moment. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the selfie test. So, not gonna lie you guys, it looked better the first pony I did. So now, it's just a hair down kind of moment now.
It is.
Ugh. It was a pony moment.
No, it's a hair down moment.
And then I took my... Are you just saying that because I looked hotter with the ponytail? Or are you saying that because I look hotter with my hair down? But I don't know if you're trying to sabotage me.
It's this cowlick thing.
You guys, I think he's right. I think it's a hair down kind of moment. Okay, so since we realized it is a hair down type of night, a type of moment. Anyway, I'm done being extra. So let's just go get food. I don't even want food, but I know I need food. Does that happen to you? Ow. Okay, so I just got Taco Shack for the first time ever. And it was really cheap, and I got like a quesadilla, quesadilla, sorry, and a chalupa, and it was only like $5. So like, let's talk about how this chalupa looks like really hard to eat.
I'm so hungry right now.
Food and the way it hits my empty stomach and makes me feel so warm.
I can do something.
Oh my god, Cameron, it's recording.
In New York, I merely rock. I didn't have my socks, running from my and I shoot at all. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the...
But I'm gonna start vlogging in about a year. What's up, you guys? We're in the bathroom.
In New York, I merely...
Oh, wow. Didn't see you guys there. It's not the next day. It's not 2 p.m. I didn't skip my class. I also didn't have a horrible hangover. No. Me? Probably not. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. It was a great experience. I loved meeting famous people and watching a sport. Is it a sport? I don't know. I just love my job so much. So thanks, Red Bull. God, I've never had a hangover on a Monday. I'm gonna go get food. I'm gonna stop this. Oh, I need to cut these wristbands off. Bye!
In New York, I merely rock. I didn't have my socks, running from my